myself Vinita. I have been preparing for the TCF exam for a while, but I was actually clueless of how the exam was, of how to prepare for the exam. I was uncertain about many things. I tried tackling the exam twice with my own attempt, but there was lack of proper guidance. It was then I found an ad on French tweets on Instagram, and I contacted them, and I was mentored by Miss Shehil. She is excellent. She was successful in digging out my advantages and disadvantages in addition to my strength and weakness, and she was also successful in guiding me, providing me ample amount of practice materials on how to practice. The mode etc was very excellent, and now I feel very confident, and I have registered for the upcoming exam, and I hope to clear it by then. Thank you.